Hi everyone, this is John Ossipinsky, aka Lymphman. If you've been looking for answers to help your health, then you need to understand the lymphatic system. Everybody around the world has a tiny network of vessels and nodes that's meant to clean their skin, their muscles, their bones, their organs, their blood vessels, nerves, and brain. And we don't think about this system too often. If you want to get healthy, you need to start thinking about this system on a daily basis, and your life will change. Use the link below to join us in our Lymphatic System Health Mastery live tonight. We go on at 7 p.m. Eastern. I promise you'll learn information about anxiety, about a lymph brain connection and brain fog. We're going to talk about cancer, pre and post cancer treatments, how to have a healthy pregnancy because the lymphatic system has been found to be very important for in, growing the lymphatic system in the womb, in the fetus. So, again, we have a lot of information. Promise it'll change your life. Join us at 7 p.m. Eastern. The link is below. Lymphatic System Health Mastery Facebook group. Bye.